COG Financial Services is a publicly listed company. It's a leading finance and broker aggregation and lending business in SME sector. We operate in three segments: lending, brokerage, and novated lease. We got 6 subsidiaries with 60 entities with 500 plus employees across Australia. My name is Mohammad Rahman. I'm a finance and IT project manager at COG Financial Services. One of the biggest challenges we have is inconsistent process or approach. Each legal entity has their own accounting system, namely Xero, MRB, QuickBook, ASC, which is BS Post system. We have each and every entity has their own chart of account. It normally takes more than 10 days to pull all this reporting for the business, and it's very cumbersome and complicated process. Our budgeting forecasting in the previous world was manual, and we had to rely on the spreadsheet and put it together, which was a bit problematic and time-consuming. Jcurve is a leading provider of ERP in Australia and New Zealand. When they have presented NetSuite and NetSuite planning and budgeting to us, they've used a customized approach, and it helped us to understand their in-depth of knowledge, expertise in NetSuite and NetSuite planning and budgeting, and it gives us more confidence to use them as a partner. Their expertise in NetSuite is very important for our success, and we have found them, they've got hands-on support. They're helping us each and every journey that we have. Any issue that we raise, they usually act promptly. They come back to us with a solution or resolution. Working with them is basically as a same team environment. My main responsibility is to roll out NetSuite, NetSuite planning and budgeting, payroll for the 60 entities in COG Group. NetSuite has given the tool to have all of the 60 entities in one single platform where we have used unified global chart of account. Therefore, all this transaction reporting, everything is coming out from the same system. Secondly, the data transparency in real time. And thirdly, a lot of manual processes that we had that eliminated through this NetSuite. In addition to the NetSuite, we have also rolled out NetSuite planning and budgeting for our reporting tools. As you understand, that COG is a very complex and dynamic business, and NetSuite planning and budgeting help us to pull this together. Jcurve has presented NetSuite in a manner that it resembles the way we operate our business, which influenced our decision to go with Jcurve and NetSuite. We will highly recommend Jcurve to other customers because they got a really good customer service, they are committed, and they will take you through the journey to the finish line.